Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tiki Graphics. Here is the mockup image that is downloaded from Google. First of all, we have to select the card area. So go to the left toolbar and select Object Selection tool. Now you will find out here two options, rectangle and lasso. I will select rectangle. Now we have to make a selection around the card. Just draw around the card. It could be take some time. It has selected. Go to the layer panel, select the background layer, press Ctrl or Command J from your keyboard to make a copy of the selection. Double click on the layer name to rename the layer. Keep the name card. Hit enter. Now we need a new layer here, so click on the new layer icon. Double click on the layer name. Keep the name placeholder. HOLDER folder. Hit enter. Go to the left toolbar and select rectangle. Now draw a shape over the card. Okay, this is perfect. Now right click on the placeholder and then choose convert to smart object. Now double click on the smart object icon. Go to the file and then choose place embedded. Now we have to select one of them. I will select this one. Hold down Alt and adjust the image on the artwork. Okay, press arrow key to adjust the image. Click on the check mark. Then go to the file and then choose save. Close the window. Now right click on the placeholder and choose create clipping mask. Now change the blending mode normal to multiply. Now our mockup is ready. Just double click on the smart object, replace the image, go to the file and then choose place embedded. Then double click on the image. Hold down Alt and adjust the image by press arrow key. Click on the check mark. Then press Ctrl S or go to the file and then choose save. Close the window and here is the result. I hope you will enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you find this video helpful and feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.